Here's my daughter's 3D print and you better be nice. Come on, sweetie. Thank you to share the camera. Okay, so I'll start from my newest to older. So I made this. I tried to recreate the one from Miss Sponge, but does it look like it? And then I've done this. And then I've done it. It's like a clicky techno. This is the clicky part. And you like the name is called. And then it's a game, and yeah. And then this. That my friend actually got it for me. I think. And then these 3D printers. I have had these for a while now, but yeah, maybe. Here's my Winston. And then this. This one I did as well. I made it for him. Bye.